Hi, Mike, and today I'm going to try to figure out why my softener is full of water. Hey, if this is your first time here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss anything. Alright, so this is an A.O. Smith water softener. I'm thinking it's maybe a year old or so, and I've got a ton of water in there. So I'm going to do a couple things to see if we can figure this out. Alright, well, the first thing I'm going to do is remove the cover. It comes off from the back, and there's two little clips on the front. I'm going to get rid of that. Alright, so I actually called A.O. Smith service, and they sent me some instructions on how to troubleshoot this. And the first thing that I did was look at this drain line here. There's a plastic nut here. You would remove that, pull this off, slide it out, and inspect the float. There's a float in this little chamber down here. Mine is fine. It moves great. It's not that old. So what they told me to do next, and which is most likely the problem, is I've got a clogged injector behind this little cap. And so the sequence of events to access that and clean it is to turn the water off. I've got a valve here. So I'll turn that off, and now I need to go in and remove the pressure by opening a faucet. I'm turning on the coolant and just letting that run until it. Alright, next I'm supposed to turn the service valve from service to bypass, which I will do like that. And now I'm going to unscrew this cap gently and remove an injector. Okay, there's an O-ring. I'm going to get some pliers. Be right back. Alright, with the cap off, I need to pull out this white part here, but first I need to get rid of this O-ring. And okay, I've got a little part here. There we go. That's in great shape. Next is to get this other little part out. Okay, I've got some smaller needle nose pliers. There we go. That only goes in one way. This little part here goes in at the 9 o'clock position only. So you're supposed to clean out the little hole in the middle and inspect this for damage. This doesn't look like there's any clogs or crap built up. And there's another little throaty piece in there to clean out as well. But again, nothing obvious. I don't think there's anything in here either. It's a little... You're not supposed to take this little throat piece out. Yeah, nothing funky there. And this piece goes back in. O-ring goes in after that. And the cap goes after that. Alright, cap's back on. I'm going to turn the water back on. There she goes. Water is back on fully, and then I'll put this back into service, and I will regenerate it. Well, those are the steps to cleaning an injector on this A.O. Smith water softener. You may not have the cap like I had. You may have a little E-clip that you just pull out, and then you can pull out the throat with the injector itself and clean that out. Mine has a cap. I think the newer ones seem like they have caps. Well, I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.